Alright, hello and welcome to my new YouTube channel. This YouTube channel is solely just about sneakers and my reselling journey. Just recently got into sneaker reselling. So I created my own recent reselling page called Timeless Kicks, and that is also the title of my YouTube channel. So I just want to welcome you to this brand new channel and also this journey of just sneaker reselling. So let's just hop right into the video. So why did I start sneaker reselling? Honestly, I've had a passion for sneakers for as long as I can remember. It really sparked my interest in about middle school. Although, even before middle school, I was just so intrigued by sneakers in general. But I really started to learn about the sneaker culture when I was in middle school. So, just with doing research and just constantly watching YouTube videos about sneaker reselling, I learned that I can make money while doing what I love, and there's nothing better than that. So that is why I started my reselling journey. And what really kickstarted my reselling journey was joining a cook group. I'm currently in the Sneaker Knockerz cook group, which is a paid subscription. I pay about $40 a month to be a part of it, but it was so life-changing. It's one of the best decisions that I've ever made involving sneakers. There's so many channels in the Sneaker Knockerz to just grow as a reseller and so many resources that you can use. It is endless and it is so worth the money. I can't even explain to you how amazing of an opportunity it was. And I actually found it because of watching YouTube videos, and some of the YouTubers that I watch used this cook group, and I decided to join. And like I said, it has been the best decision of my life. And because, I really like sneakers and I like buying them, make money somehow in order to buy the sneakers. So I jumped into reselling and I have absolutely fallen in love with it. I would like to do a further detailed explanation of how to get into sneaker reselling and where to go, what to do, how to kickstart it. I would really like to do a full in-depth video on that, but for now I'm just going to talk about 4 ways that I resell. One of them being Instagram. I'll pop up my Instagram page right here at Timeless Kicks on Instagram. And this is a really big one that I use. I'm constantly updating my page with different sneakers that I'm selling. I also am able to connect with a lot of locals who are also reselling, which, to be honest, being from Rhode Island, I had no idea that there were so many sneaker resellers, so that was awesome to find out. Yeah, you can just connect with a bunch of people. You can promote your posts as well, so you can reach more people. I also sell on eBay. Can be tricky sometimes because there are a lot of scammers on eBay, at least with Instagram. A lot of the resellers that you contact are real, and they have reference pages as well, which is awesome. eBay again is a tricky one. I use eBay mostly if I want to do like flips, so I'll buy a sneaker that's pretty beat and I'll clean it up a little bit and sell it for a little bit more. And I also use Grailed. You're getting what you see. And then the 4th way, I sell on the cook group, the Sneaker Knockerz. They always have VIP deals that you can get there. They have channels in specific sizes, so you can post your sneaker to the specific size. There's so many links to buy sneakers. They also have a service called the middleman. So if you're selling to someone and you've never really done business with them, you can ensure that your transaction will be legit through a middleman, which I really love, especially being a small reseller. I offer to use the middleman service so people know that my sneakers are legit, and then once they get the sneakers, they can leave a reference on my Instagram page. So again, if you're looking into reselling, I definitely suggest getting into a form of a cook group. With reselling sneakers, I need to keep track of my inventory, what I've sold, what I'm selling, and it also allows me to kind of negotiate on prices, how much flexibility I have with my prices of sneakers. And I'll go over a couple of the sneakers that I've sold so far. So I've sold some Jordan 4 UNCs. I sold the Nike Dunk Low Pandas. I sold some Jordan 4 metallic purples. I sold some Yeezy slides. And I also sold some Eric Emanuel shorts. So I'm definitely growing. I'm definitely trying my best to resell, and it has been the best journey ever. And with that being said, of the sneakers that I sold, I would also like to show you my very small inventory that I got going on right now. So I currently have a size medium Chinatown Market pair of shorts. It's the 3-ring edition. It's nice and tie-dyed. These are such a dope pair of shorts. They have never been worn, but the tags are off of them. So I'm kind of looking for around $60 on these. I don't really expect much from them just because they don't have the tags on them, but they were never worn. They are in amazing condition, so I'm hoping to get these off my hands relatively soon. I bought these from a guy on Sneaker Knockerz. I've got some size 10, size 11.5 Jordan 1 silver toes. These are dead stock. These are such a clean sneaker, such a clean Jordan. I'm looking to get around $220 for these, and it comes with the extra laces as well. I just have a pair of used Yeezy 350 V2 Sesames. They're in really, really great condition. And quite honestly, I'm not looking for a specific price on these, just kind of looking for some extra cash on these. So yeah, a couple of pairs that I recently bought but are not currently in my hands right now are some Nike SB Court Purples, are some Jordan 3 Black Cements. So those will be going up on my Instagram page as well. If you see anything that's currently in my inventory and you would like to purchase them, you can always hit me up on my Instagram at Timeless Kicks. I'm always answering Instagram messages, always looking to sell. I'm constantly on there. So if you're ever interested in buying from me, definitely check it out. And lastly, just if you are looking to get into sneaker reselling, honestly, I just say do it. I was really nervous about doing it, but it is such a fun experience. I don't regret it whatsoever. It's been so amazing, such a fun journey, and I can't wait to grow even more and create more videos for you. I'm hoping to do a day in the life of a sneaker reseller. I would love to show you my setup that I have for Instagram, taking pictures. I would love to kind of just share some of the struggles that I've had on my journey, but also some of the successes. So yeah, I hope that you follow me on this journey of sneaker reselling. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. Leave a like, comment, subscribe if you would like. Definitely check out my Instagram page. Like I said, I'm always on there. And yeah, thank you guys for tuning in.